used to have a lot of shops in Dublin city centre, and over the years, unfortunately, retail contracted a lot and our business declined. We had to close them all up pretty much. More recently, people are now working from home and shopping from home with the internet. Car parking rates are very high, and the council have made it very difficult for cars to get in and out. You know, you can't access it very easy. You're restricted to certain contorted routes to get in and out of it.
Currently our rates and our rent has stayed the same, but the footfall in Dublin city centre has collapsed 20% since 2019. We're sad to see some of our neighbours close down recently. You know, these people we've been working alongside for years. It's such a shame to see like the community of the city centre fall apart, and without independent businesses, Dublin isn't Dublin. You could be anywhere in the world. If you walk down Grafton Street and you just see big chains like McDonald's or H&M or Zara, what makes Dublin Dublin is family businesses, is independently run businesses, and it is that community that the government really have to support.
What I'd like to see in Dublin is more yellow vests, more guards. Like, government have to resource them. We are a capital city, major capital city in Europe. We need, you know, Dublin has increased in population over the last few years. They need the resources.
We have all these upper floor buildings that a lot are vacant. If we had accommodation in this, that people would come down, the shops and the local businesses would thrive, and then people would look after the city centre. It's becoming a more dangerous place for our staff in the mornings and in the late evenings because nobody lives here.
We can encourage young professionals, young families to live in the city. I think we need to think outside the box here. We have a housing crisis, whereas we've buildings and over units and shops lying empty. I think there should be someone leading that campaign with a team. An example, you know, Jim Gavin did when he came into the Dublin football setup. He surrounded himself with the right team. He created a culture from the bottom up, and the results speak for themselves. We need someone, a strong character who can joint up thinking, get all DCC, politicians, councillors, Dublin town, Temple Bar traders, everyone to come together and get results for our city.